Welcome back to the story of TutorKit. In our last video, we have discussed about lesson plan, tutor guide, question bank and PPTs. But the great tutoring doesn't stop at the classroom door, right? True mastery happens after the session. That is why we empower our learning journey with worksheets and rigorous assessments. See, the assessments are critical because they provide more practice questions and ensuring the skills are truly retained. So the consistent practice supports learning far beyond the tutoring session. After every single session, students receive a structured worksheet, which is their essential homework. We designed these to be powerful, not just a busy work, which has 4 key areas. Number 1, the starting few questions are on basics and fact fluency, like key formulas, tables, law of motion, to keep their skills sharp. Secondly, concept checks, which has core concept building questions to reinforce their session's understanding. Third, real life application based questions connecting the subject to the world around them, like observing how plants bending towards light, planning a budget for a trip, like that. And lastly, HOTS, higher order thinking question skills through puzzles, logical questions to genuinely stretch their thinking. We also include gamified challenges to build ownership of learning. Beyond the daily practice through worksheets, a structured and rigorous assessment is the heartbeat of TutorKit's customized approach. We track every single child's progress with a clear, reliable schedules of checks and exams. It all starts with chapter checks, which will be conducted after completion of each and every chapter. We have major milestones like pre-term 1 exam, that is conducted after 25% of syllabus coverage, followed by term 1, which is nothing but mid-term after 50% mark. We repeat this like pre-term 2 exam for 75% syllabus coverage, culminating with term 1 exam, which is nothing but final examination after complete syllabus is covered. And by the way, these rigorous worksheets assessments are not about grading, it's about guiding. Especially in customized online tutoring, it is very important to assess students throughout their learning journey. But why? Why? Because we claim to be customizable and flexible, right? And to stand on that, we must understand every child's progress, growth and milestones. So these assessments give us essential data to continuously reevaluate and adjust the teaching methodology, adjusting the pace, also to focus entirely on child's current learning status and required changes ahead. This is how we ensure the growth is continuous and precisely tailored. With this comprehensive power of TutorKit right from lesson plan to worksheets and rigorous assessments, we guarantee your child's learning journey is accountable, adaptive and moving forward. So, stop